The champions for the 200 meters secondary girls. A big round of applause for them. Again, Kabayan, Pakpa.
18 na.
On court 4, Tricia Raluta versus Georgia Andres. On court 4.
19 all.
On court 3, Amante versus Malasarte.
Now let's continue with the awarding ceremonies for the athletics. The 200 meters elementary boys, the bronze medalist, with a time of 28.59 seconds. From Punta Princesa Elementary School, Perez Roar Hayron. There he goes, Mr. Perez Roar. The victor stand. Silver medalist with a time of 26.64 seconds from Talamban Elementary School, Soria Lenio Benson. The silver medalist. And the gold medalist with a time of 20. Silver medalist with a time of 30.98 seconds from Sacred Heart School for Girls, Quijano Carmela. Miss Quijano.
21-22.
And the gold medalist with a time of 29.38 seconds, still from Sacred Heart School for Girls, Rivalde Chalamet. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. The champions for the 200 meters elementary girls. A big round of applause, Kabayan! You know, Rock England. Okay, the next event will be the 110-meter hurdles for secondary boys and elementary boys. Unfortunately, ladies and gentlemen, there is no bronze medalist because we only have 2 participants in this event. So we will start with the silver medalist. Okay. The silver medalist with a time of 19.91 seconds from the University of Cebu, Bacos DJ.
Gold star.
And the gold medalist with a time of 19.82 seconds, still from the University of Cebu, Ilya Ernesto Roy. This was a shocking experience. There you go, ladies and gentlemen, the champions for the 110-meter hurdles secondary boys. The elementary